Hi, so I wanted to show you quickly how to fix a pull. So this is my Maggie sling, and it's really worn. It's one of our favorite slings that we use. And you can take a safety pin or a straight pin or any type of pin. If it has a flat edge, that would be best, but if it doesn't, that's okay too. So basically, when you have a pull, it will have a loop. It's basically just where a thread was pulled too far out, which I just did this one, which is why the fabric is sort of bunched up. But anyways, so what you want to do is you want to examine the thread closely to figure out if the thread is going this way or this way in the cloth. And this thread, as you can see, is going this way and this way. So once you know which way the thread needs to go, then you find the thread in the fabric and you pull a little bit by little bit, being careful to only hook that one strand of thread and work it ever so gently back into the fabric. See how we did that one side and we worked it back in, and then we do this side the same way. So that went this way, and this is the same thread. This side's going this way. So very slowly, little bit by little bit, you find the thread and work it back into the fabric. And you see how this one is worked through here, but we still have this bubble here. And that's completely okay. You just, little bit by little bit, having pulled threads is sort of normal when it comes to fabrics. I mean, it can get pulled. Threads can get pulled with keys. Threads can get pulled with jewelry. I mean, it can happen. It's just a common occurrence for fabrics of any sort. This is a really wonderful way to fix the fabric pull. The only thing that you don't want to do that's really important is you definitely don't want to cut the loop. If you cut the loop, then you go from dealing with a fabric pull to dealing with broken threads. And broken threads is a much more in detail process than it is working with a fabric pull. And so you sort of get the idea. You take however long it takes just to go back and forth, up and down, or right and left, depending upon which way your pull goes. And you work that extra piece back into the fabric. So I hope this video has been helpful. If something happens and it's not working out, or you would rather just not, you not do it and me do it, then just let me know, and you're welcome to send it back to me and I can fix it for you. It just takes just a few minutes, no problem. And if you have any threads when you're finished that are still a little bit loose, then whenever you wash it, they will reset within the fabric. We just don't want to have any big loops, because a loop can actually get caught on something again. And we don't want to, have a minor problem turn into a major problem because it gets, it gets caught again. So I hope that helps, and just let me know if you need my assistance, and I'm here to help if needed.